Joseph reporting from southeast Anchorage in a windstorm, and it's blowing like hell, and I am grilling, baby. Oh yeah, a little windbreak worked. Not bad, huh? Scrap plywood, shit ton of screws. It's pretty handy. It's pretty ugly out too, but I don't care. I'm hungry.